NVIDIA stock, or ticker symbol NVDA, is absolutely soaring over the last couple of days. Guys, it got an amazing earnings report, which made it jump by roughly 30% in a single day, gapping up. Now, you're going to see a lot of technical analysts out there or technical traders telling you that that gap must be filled to the downside. Don't buy it now, sell it, buy puts, whatever, play it to the downside. But NVIDIA is a very special company. It's building itself on AI technology or artificial intelligence technology. And this is the interesting part about the move higher. It is based on estimates. So in this video, we're going to be going over the numbers for NVIDIA, and we're specifically going to be talking about analysts' expectations and whether or not it is too late to get in and too late to buy NVIDIA. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know where or how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. If you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges, you've got KuCoin and Binance down there. Excellent exchanges to check out, but make sure if you guys are holding on those exchanges, you know it's a loan to those exchanges. Cold storage and DeFi wallet if you want to mitigate that risk. Let's jump in to why NVIDIA, NVDA, is running the way that it is and whether or not it's too late. So the first thing we need to know is why it's moving in the first place. NVIDIA stock broke out this week, and there's 3 key points to take away here. Meaningful revenue from artificial intelligence is coming much faster than most investors expected. So, AI, ChatGPT busted onto the scene in December of 2022, and already we are creating nearly $1 trillion company in NVIDIA. NVIDIA blew away investors with its prediction for total sales in the current quarterly period. That is why we're seeing a massive jump. We're going to talk about those estimates in a second here. Data centers are already starting to transition to accelerated computing power using NVIDIA's chips. I'm telling you, man, NVIDIA is poised to be a multi-trillion-dollar company, and analysts agree. It's no surprise that NVIDIA has been very volatile over the last 18 months, and there's a lot of traditional metrics being used as the business has stumbled and shares were cut in half last year. But after slowly gaining much of that drop back, the stock broke out in a very big way based on its earnings report and its earnings expectations. So let's look at this. NVIDIA broke out this week after it blew away expectations in its second quarter guidance. We're going to talk about the numbers in a second here. Now, NVIDIA reported $7.2 billion in sales, and the projections were for $6.5 billion in sales. So NVIDIA drastically beating its earnings expectations and its revenue expectations, but listen to this. It was the second quarter estimate of $11 billion in sales that shocked investors. That's 50% higher than what analysts were expecting. Trillion-dollar companies don't blow away analysts' expectations by 50%. NVIDIA is either drastically overestimating what their second quarter sales were going to be, or if they are correct, NVIDIA is now knocking on the door of a $1 trillion valuation, joining companies like Google, joining companies like Apple, and so on. So you might be thinking, is it too late to buy NVIDIA? Should you go out there and chase these NVIDIA gains, or should you listen to the technical analysts that are trying to tell you that NVIDIA is going to gap back down and fill that gap to the downside? Well, listen to some of these headlines. NVIDIA price target raised to $440 from $275 by Goldman Sachs. You've got another one. Nvidia's price target is raised to $440. $440. Looking at the analysis, 29% of all analysts rate Nvidia as a strong buy. 50% of all analysts rate Nvidia as a buy. Only 21% apparently haven't updated their recommendations, and they're rating it as a hold. 0% of analysts are rating Nvidia as underperform, and 0% are rating Nvidia as a sell. All of the analysts believe that Nvidia is going to continue higher from here. Let's talk about some of the numbers. The high price targets from analysts right now, and this isn't YouTube analysts. These are Wall Street analysts. The high estimate is for $644 per share. It could nearly double in price again, making it roughly a $2 trillion company. The average price expectations by analysts, $424 per share. The low, okay, and I believe these are the guys that haven't updated their price recommendations and updated their estimates yet, $222. So if you're looking at Nvidia and you just want to go with consensus, the average price expectations by professional analysts, you are looking at $424, and the current price is around $386. So you've still got roughly a $40 increase or a 10% gain that you could see if average analyst expectations are met. Guys, now, first things first, Nvidia needs to continue growing. AI needs to continue growing and not become a fad, okay? If AI is just some sort of a fad where you can go in there and create a cool picture for a minute, get a nice avatar photo, and then it dies out. Or if you can go talk to a chatbot for a minute. Chatbots have been around for quite some time. I will admit that AI is a lot better now than the chatbots that told you what time it was in the good old AOL days. But we need to see this continued increase and a continued move towards metaverse, a move towards artificial intelligence, and a move where companies like Nvidia are absolutely necessary for the continued growth, not only of their company, but of companies that rely on them and businesses that are being built around them. I will say this, okay? $11 billion is extremely lofty expectations. If Nvidia comes out and misses those expectations, you will see a price decline. If Nvidia comes out and meets or exceeds those expectations, it absolutely could not only jump beyond a $1 trillion valuation, you could see another gap up. And these analyst expectations at the high end could be correct. So I want to know what you guys think. Nvidia is running. Are you chasing? Let me know, and if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got Claybro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin and Binance, free Discord, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.